Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn that how you can change the region on your TikTok account. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Make sure to watch the video till the end. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your profile on your TikTok application. The next thing you need to do is to tap on the three lines at the top right corner, and then you need to tap on settings and privacy. So from here, you need to go to your account. In account, you need to tap on account information. And once you tap on account information, you will find your phone number, email, date of birth, and just below that account region. So it is set to Thailand because I'm here. So if I want to change that, you need to tap on the region. You will come here and you will find the list of the countries available here from where you need to choose. Suppose I want to choose Vietnam, and when I tap on Vietnam, so it will bring me here and they say we cannot update the region because the reason is you recently used TikTok in Vietnam for at least 60 days. So you can only change your region if you live in that particular country or region for 60 days, and then it will be automatically updated, or you can just change it from the settings as well. So guys, this is how you can change the region or country in your TikTok application. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Till then, take care.